welcome back to the channel, and today we're taking a first look at The Enjenir. This is a game that is not quite out yet, but a demo comes out, I think, in October, if I can remember correctly. So this is a 3D sandbox building physics game, which perfectly fits the channel. However, apparently, when you're using your physics and problem-solving skills and building skills, and obviously engineering skills, you aren't limited to a build grid. Apparently there is no grid constraining you in this game, which that piqued my interest quite a bit, because pretty much every single build game I've played so far has constrained me to a grid. This one is apparently going to set me free. So my only option right now is tutorial. So let's go through the tutorial.
Welcome to your final exam at the School of Engineering.
Quite a voice you got here.
Demonstrate that you deserve to be qualified as an elite engineer.
Oh,
Let's
elite.
Start with something simple.
Okay.
Make your way over to the highlighted area around the corner.
Around the corner. You've hidden it from me. Hold the pan. And E to go up.
Wow, fantastic job. You're a natural. Now,
I'm good at this.
Let's start building.
All right.
Show me what a beam is.
Is it this blinking thing? I feel like I'm being talked to as if I was that character on the main screen. Well, obviously I am, but there we go. A
Now,
beam.
Hit the build button at the top left of your screen.
Build. Where'd it go?
Usually they work better when you actually fix them onto the wall. Try again.
Connection type. Okay, fixed. Wait, it's red though. I'm already too dumb for this. It doesn't work. Oh, I gotta actually set it to fix. Oh, okay. I don't know why I want to go to the corner. Maybe I should go to the middle. I'm gonna go to the corner. It's closest to me.
Okay.
Build.
Show me how you would brace these two beams together.
I don't know. An X. Oh, click and drag.
Great. You finally did something on your first try.
Thanks. Thank you. It won't let me do more. Oh, I think it's probably because it's crossing through that beam, huh? I'd have to go to the other side. Oh, click on the build button. Oh, that's interesting.
Now place a sheet between these beams.
A sheet? Whoa. Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't know I was going to do that. I would have put it more centered. I'm sorry. All right, build.
Try nailing it to the beams this time.
Click on the nails button and place a nail in each of the sheet's four corners. Oh, this is cool. There are elements to this that are like just more interesting than I'm used to dealing with. Like actually having to secure something rather than it automatically welding itself. It's gonna add an extra element of, I think, like that satisfaction that you get when you stabilize something and it works.
Hold the align nail to view key when placing a nail to align it to the camera view.
Okay, that was a confusing sentence. So I think this is the camera angle it wants me to use. This isn't gonna work, this isn't gonna work, but if I hold down shift, I can do it at this angle through this beam at the sheet. Like that, click on the build button. There we go.
How this makes it easier to nail members that aren't aligned properly? Place the final wheel on this cart and nail it on securely.
I'm seeing the lack of build grid is coming into play very strongly now. All right, wheels. Click on the nails and place 3 nails. Can I move my camera right now? It won't let me move my camera, but it looks like it's just going to automatically align to the plane that I'm on. Wait, what about the other wheels?
Temporary construction lines are key to efficient structural planning. Place a vertical construction line on the right-hand block and then connect the 2 vertical construction lines with a horizontal construction line.
There we go. Go there to there.
These will help you design more complex structures. Don't tell anyone, but sometimes even engineers make mistakes.
Not me.
Show me how you would remove building materials.
Is it the erase button? I did it.
You can tell a lot by the color of a member. Green means it's perfect as is.
Perfection.
Orange indicates there is a clash, which means you can't place the member there.
Makes sense.
Red means the member cannot be placed here.
Okay, that makes sense.
Construction techniques allow for precise building.
Okay, this seems like a really powerful build system. I'm really looking forward to this.
Scale key, you can adjust the scale of the beam. Click and drag to shorten the beam, or alternatively, use the scroll wheel.
All right, so beams. So click and hold and drag left or right plus caps lock. So if I click and hold, if I normally drag, it rotates it, which kind of makes sense to me. But if I hold caps lock, that is a button that I do not see mapped very often. Now, oh, okay, it's left and right, not up and down. Left and right, there we go, about
While
there.
placing a sheet between 2 points, hold the offset key and then scroll up or down to offset the sheet.
All right, this is kind of crazy. All right, so there we go. And then hold the offset key. Wait, and then scroll up and down. Oh, this is, you gotta start using all your fingers here. All right, there we go.
Now for the easy part.
Oh,
the
yeah.
Health and Safety Site Compliance Test.
Apparently, you get to also be
Wow, perfect.
a third-person
Now,
dummy to control.
Walk over to the highlighted area. Use the left foot and right foot keys to control each of your legs.
Okay, this is hilarious. This is a hilarious way of walking. You gotta control each leg individually, and where it lands is just where you're gonna sit. Okay. Okay, left shift to sprint. This game is gonna be hilarious.
As you're well aware, a big part of getting around any construction site involves lots of sketchy and dangerous climbing.
This is awesome. I look like I'm fighting bees. Okay, let's get over here. Let's do a shift walk. Climbing. When grabbed, hold space to pull yourself up. Left click grabs left hand, right click grabs right hand. These are pretty natural controls. All right, let's walk slowly.
Use the left hand grab key to grab with your left hand.
And then I can grab. There we go. This is surprisingly natural. Oh, I gotta move my camera to aim my arm. I'm crawling across the ground.
Great, you made that look very easy.
Caps lock to stand
Climbing
up.
clearly comes very naturally to you.
All right, here we go. Can your right hand grab, please? There we go. All right. I'm pressing so much at the same time.
Congratulations, you're now a qualified engineer.
I did it. I'm an engineer. I always knew I had it in me. All right, that was a really fun tutorial. I am so looking forward to actually playing the game now. There are the controls of this. I gotta say, the control design of this feels really nice so far. CPD, missions completed 0 out of 6.
Welcome to the continuing professional development area.
That answers my
Here,
question.
You'll be able to put the theory you've learned into practice. Character-based missions are the simplest, where you are tasked with just reaching a destination, which might involve walking,
this is
running,
cool.
or climbing.
This is actually kind of
You might
cool.
even be asked to transport a given item to a destination. Building missions require you to design and build a structure that serves a function to complete an objective.
All right, I'm sold. So you can do these missions and complete them and earn rewards. And you can retry the mission and still earn more rewards if you improve what you've already done. That's kind of interesting. Walk to destination. This seems like a pretty basic one. The most basic mission type will require you to reach a destination by running to it.
Walk to the highlighted area at the end of this path. Remember,
I did it. I feel like I did pretty good there. I could have went all the way around, but I jumped over instead. Wait, so I got 400 points, so I got an A. 500 points for an A+? I couldn't really imagine doing that much better. All right, well, there is room for improvement on that. All right, carry barrel to area.
this mission requires you to pick up the barrel and carry it to the highlighted area.
Come on. A+, there we go. Maximum points there. Climb to destinations. This is kind of fun. I've been taking up climbing recently, and I'm pretty addicted to it, so now I get to do it even when I'm working.
This mission will require a bit of climbing. Use the
And
left-hand
grab
reach and right-hand
space.
reach keys to reach out with your left and right hand. Use the left-hand grab key.
Oh, look
to
at
grab
that.
With your left.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You didn't even have time to finish. I was just in the zone. Keep box in volume. All right, here we go. Now we get our first building challenge. Do I have unlimited building
This is a
time?
building mission where you have to build a platform capable of holding up this box above the ground for at least 8 seconds.
Since we're not on a build grid, I think that is what construction lines are for. These are what help me see where I'm building pretty much. This is me creating my own grid. So hold down the click button, hold down caps lock, do the scroll wheel. That is a little complicated. You know what? I might be able to do this with just 2 like that, and then do a panel or a sheet from here, and then hold Alt, scroll, just like that. I can't tell if I'm at that one or not. Wait, oh, it was colliding with another structure. I think I have to make these shorter. Now that I'm thinking about it, if those are attached, then that means this should be stable with just one. Isn't that right? And then I can put the sheet here. See, now this isn't really going to be attached very well is the only problem. And then let's offset this one like that. So now these I'm pretty sure are free floating. So if I add a nail, can I not add nails in here? Oh, they're not even like attached really. Oh, here we go. Nail right there. Nail right there. I have no idea if that's gonna hold, if those nails are gonna hold. So now that we're there, build. Oh, okay. I'm gonna restart structure. Let's go with just the more basic and structurally sound structure. I didn't even read what it just said. I just clicked yes. All right, let me put my construction lines just so I can visualize where the corners are. All right, so now, and then I take a sheet from this corner out to here. Okay, and now I use nails, and then that nail goes there. That nail goes there. This nail goes there. This nail, does it reach? Barely. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, structurally sound. Okay, these are a lot more flimsy than I was expecting. Looks good to me. A, so now the points are based off of materials used, right? Connections broken, 0. Materials remaining, that is it. Okay. All right, let's continue. We're doing pretty good. Our report card right here, looking pretty good. Build and cross bridge. All right, now we're getting slightly more complex. You know, I just had a realization. I've been wondering why they decided not to go with a grid in this game. I think I know why. I don't know if this guy could follow a grid if there was one. Okay, so now I actually got to build a bridge. So these are my material. Bracing, sheets, and beams. That's what I got here to work with. So I'm gonna start with a fixed beam. All right, hold it. Then I hold caps lock and scroll. That's as big of a beam as I can make. And hold this, caps lock, scroll down. Now, is this gonna be attached on both ends? Let me take a look. It is not, but I could probably, here, I'll delete this. I'll create a bracing beam right here. And then scroll until I meet that. And then now, can I do this fancy thing? So I'm gonna use a nail like this. Pew! So now, look at that, the nail goes in there. This is so cool. This build grid thing is really awesome. Now, here's another question. It would be so cool if I could copy and paste what I've just done to the other side, but I don't see that happening. All right, and then nailed it. Look at that, I nailed it. Okay, so now we need to build the bridge part. There it is. And then, oh, it keeps my settings. That is great. And then I'm just gonna nail these in the centers rather than the corners and hope that that is strong enough. How do I control 3, 4, 5? How do I control my character? How do I control him? Looks good to me. Oh, that's what I gotta do. I lost a whole bunch of time. All right, run. Ah, I'm fine. All right, hold on. Refine design. I lost a bunch of time there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and build again. And then I'm gonna say looks good and then run as fast as possible. Looks good to me. Go, go, go. Go, looks good to me. I don't know what that noise is. Doesn't sound good. A+. We got an A+ because I was ready that time. Reward 10 coins. Build and climb a tower. I have to climb my own thing that I build. You know, it'd be awesome if people like end up building like climbing routes, like in a rock climbing gym. That'd actually be really awesome. So I gotta build a structure that can support this platform and then reach the target area. So I think the structure has to stay within the yellow zone, and then the target area is where my character has to be. We are in fixed, so I'm gonna start off, here, let's lower the camera a little bit. Start off right here. Okay, so now the next beam is already, okay, so there we go, caps lock, and then there. All right, so now we've got the sheets. I don't know, am I gonna be able to make one sheet long enough for this? I'm gonna offset this. Okay, let's place that. And let's look from the bottom, see how that looks. Uh-oh. No, that's fine. All right, time to nail this in. Can I do it? Just barely. All right, now I have to be able to climb up there, but let's use some bracing. This seems like a lot. Okay, so every side I've done 3 braces except for the front side. There's 4. I don't know if that's gonna be enough for me to climb, but let's try it. Here we go, moment of truth. Looks good to me. All right, time to climb it. See if it can support my weight. All right, grab, pull. My own arm is in the way. That's not how you use your arm. Don't use it like that yet. Reach your arm that way. Here we go, I'm learning. Now you can grab. There you go. All right, hold on. Reach your arm that way. There you go, good. All right, get your arm out. Good. All right, come on. Good. Now get over. I'm in. Come on, I'm in. 4, 3, 2, 1. the climbing is so fun. Like, I'm genuinely enjoying the climbing the most out of all of this. Like, just, there's actually a level of, like, skill and technique involved. All right, and I got an A, so I'm really happy with that. All right, continue. We have finished the first level. All right, we went from level 0, which is basically, like, tutorial, to now let's go to farm. Today we face a challenge that rattles the very foundations of our kingdom. As you are all aware, the village architect, Sir Botchalot, oh no, has brought us nothing but chaos with his innovative and aesthetic designs. We should have known that this approach to design would be all style and no substance. It's like the opposite of how I build in Trailmakers. His shoddy work has left you all bitterly disappointed. Angrily shouting. Look at how angrily this guy's shouting. I should have never trusted an architect to design my sacred potato silo. Now, more than ever, we need an engineering mastermind to rescue us from this nightmare. Which of you will volunteer? It's gonna be this guy. Oh wait, is that? Are we related? Spotting the player. You there, brave soul. Why would you spot that me out of all the people? What say you? Will you take up the mantle of Kingdom's chief engineer and restore order to... See, I thought I was the engineer that messed everything up. I thought I was Sir Botchalot. Apparently, I'm not Sir Botchalot. So, I'm coming to fix Sir Botchalot's problems. So, how bad is Sir Botchalot if I'm the replacement? Let us test him first at least. For a cantilever beam with a length of 5 meters and subjected to a triangular distributed load varying from 0 kilonewtons per meter at the fixed end to 10 kilonewtons per meter at the free end, tell me the location and magnitude of the maximum bending moment. Yes, my thoughts exactly. We don't have time for that nonsense. Everyone meet our savior and chief engineer who will bring structure to the kingdom. I'm really glad that they just looked at me and I instantly got promoted. I just got those looks, you know? My platform's looking a little rickety these days. Would you mind inspecting it for me? Wouldn't want to do it myself. So I've got to reach... What? I got to reach the target location? Start mission. Go, go, go. But the target location isn't even... How do you do better? Hold on. How do you do better? Start mission. I'm gonna sprint from the very beginning. Okay, that did not work. All right, now press shift. Go, go, go. All right, you know what? Arms out, arms out. 6 seconds. How do I get more points? I cannot imagine how you could possibly get faster. So I'm just gonna continue on to the next thing. All right, build fence. So we gotta fill the gap in this fence here. Stop the animals from reaching a target area. Oh, this is interesting. I think there's actually gonna be animals that come this way. How big are the animals? If they're rats, we're gonna have a problem. Okay, so I think just a couple of short beams. And you know, I'm gonna take a risk here. I'm gonna say 1 plank is enough. All right, let's see. Where are these animals? What? Oh, what? I don't know what I was expecting, but it definitely wasn't that. I thought there was gonna be a sheep that slowly walks up to it and can't get by. I wasn't expecting catapult cats. What is this? Can I brace to the ground? I can't. So that means I'm gonna have to put another structure down, and then now I will brace from here to here. This is actually harder than I was expecting, but this is satisfying to work with. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Oh, no. All right, you know what? I'm going to change. I don't know if this matters, but I'm going to change these planks to this side. Gotta survive 10 seconds. Oh, that's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. If this is the problem you're dealing with, if catapult cats is your issue, how have any of these fences held up? The bases. All right, I would really like to be able to modify a placed part without having to delete, but it doesn't seem like that is possible. So I just need to make this taller. I'm gonna go this tall. And now I am gonna do an X frame. And then I will also have it be stabilized down to here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That thing isn't, okay, hold on. Wait. No, wait. You hold on. There we go. Actually, an A doesn't seem too bad. I mean, they broke through it though, so everything I just worked for is gone, but I get to keep my grade, so that's all that matters. Pick fruit. A huge piece of fruit has been dangling just out of reach. I'm worried about it falling to the ground and smashing. Any chance you could pick it for me, please? So this is like a carry the thing, but I gotta bring it out of the box instead of bringing something to the box. Start mission. So I gotta build something or not. Maybe I don't build something. Okay. I climb something. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna start over because I can go way faster than I started there. There we go. Oh, wait, space is to jump? I didn't know I could jump with space when I'm on the ground. I think that's what happened. Good. All right, can you, there we go, we did it. A+? I'm a pretty good climber. Build a water tower. This seems like it's gonna be heavy and needs a lot of support. I'm gonna do the 4 corners thing. All right, there we go, we got a nice platform. Okay, now to structurally support, so I don't have to climb it, so I just gotta structurally support it. So I'm gonna actually try to do bare minimum here and just do 2, just create a triangle on each side. All right, there we go. All right, you think this is gonna hold it? I don't think it's gonna be strong enough. That looks like it's gonna be really heavy, especially if it's full of water. Looks good to me. All right, an A. I'm actually kind of surprised. All right, we are doing really good. I haven't gotten anything less than an A so far. You know what? I think they made the right choice in choosing me as their engineer. Obstacle course. What? I've thrown together this short obstacle course for my son. I'm worried it may be overboard. Any chance you can test it out? Oh, this sounds fun. Parkour. Oh, this sounds fun. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just gonna go. All right, ready? All right, go. Okay, no, you stop really quick. Okay, now stop. Oh, it's rolling. These things need a little bit more texture so you can see what's rotating and what's not. All right, stop. This character is not easy to control. I will tell you that right now. Okay, I got an idea. Ready? All right, go. Now walk. Now go. How do I climb? This direction. There we go. D-. That is unacceptable. I'm gonna sprint the whole way with my arms out. There we go. Space. Go. I was gonna make it so quick. It's a B, I gotta get an A. Come on. There it is. There's the A. Build treehouse. This should be fun. Build a structure to support the treehouse, then test it out. I gotta use the tree. Whoa, this actually seems hard. So I will put this right here. Then we will extend it out. Okay, that is going out to the, this is actually, I'm kind of overwhelmed with this right now. Okay, any chance this can actually support the weight of the entire treehouse? No, I am actually just gonna start over. All right, let's put this here. I'm gonna go ahead and put another one aimed at this corner. There we go. Now I need another one aimed at this corner. All right, I'm gonna start with these 3 corners. I don't know if this is going to cover. It looks like it's good on this corner right here. Is it good on this corner? It's not good on this corner over here. All right, that should be good. And then I should be able to nail it just like that. Okay, so we know that's not going to hold. So how do we continue to support this? I think having some elevated support beams like this. All right, I can build in that direction. Oh, it puts 3? Should I be doing that everywhere? I can even put more. Is that all I had to do with the cat thing, was just put more nails and that's just gonna make it more stable? I mean, it makes sense. I haven't quite learned what this game relies on for physics yet. Can I stabilize this from the tree? All right, there we go. So 1, 2, 3. All right, I'm just gonna try this and see what happens. I have no confidence in it, but I just wanna see where am I at right now? How strong is it? Look at this piece of engineering genius. There we go. It's that light. Wait, I don't have to get up into it, do I? Do I have to get up in? I have to get up into it? I didn't know this. Grab. Space. Grab. Grab. I could have done this better. I just gotta see. I don't even know how to get up into this right now. No! Okay, you know what? Restart. Back to the drawing board. Wait, no. Please don't tell me. Okay, good. It didn't erase my thing. Here we go. Go, 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 go. I didn't give myself a way to get over there. No! No. There. Good. Okay. Good. All right, hold on. We need to reach over. Grab it. That works. Okay. Now you reach. Grab it. And now reach up and over. Grab. Grab. Pull. Whew. You know what? I'm gonna take a B on that one. That one was a lot. But the house was a lot lighter than I was expecting, so I think I over-enforced it, which is probably where the B came from. But we still have 3 more left in this level on its own. And look at all of these levels. We have a lot of levels in this game. I don't want to spoil the whole demo for you guys. I've gone through most of it, but there's still 3 left here. If you guys are interested in this game, I'll leave a link down in the description. You can go check it out. I'm definitely interested to continue this on once it comes out in its full release. And if you guys are too, you should let me know down in the comments below. I had a blast playing this. So let me know what you guys thought down in the comments. What was your favorite mission in this video? If you guys enjoyed this, you'll probably enjoy some more that you can find right here on the end screen. Hope this video has earned your subscription. Anyway, this has been ScrapMan, and I'll see you next time. Bye.